Getting invited to a job interview is not only about having a strong resume. Many applicants may have similar qualifications, education, and work experience. What often makes the difference is the cover letter. This is the document that allows employers to see your motivation, communication skills, and personality before they ever meet you. A weak or generic cover letter can cause an application to be overlooked, while a strong and well-written one can help you stand out immediately. A cover letter for a job application is a formal letter submitted along with a resume when applying for a position. It introduces the applicant, explains their interest in the role, highlights relevant qualifications and achievements, and demonstrates why they would be a strong fit for the organization. Today, we're going to break down a winning cover letter for a job application step by step so you understand exactly how to write one in a professional and convincing way. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the applicant's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section provides the employer with contact information and helps keep the application professional and organized. Always make sure your contact details are accurate, because this is how employers will reach you if they are interested in moving forward with your application. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 3, 2026. The date helps document when the application was submitted and is a standard part of professional business correspondence. Never leave out the date when writing a formal cover letter. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information, including the hiring manager's name, job title, company name, and business address. This section shows that the letter is directed to a specific person and organization, rather than being a generic application. Whenever possible, try to address your cover letter to the actual hiring manager because it demonstrates effort and professionalism. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject. Application for marketing coordinator position. This subject line immediately tells the employer the purpose of the letter and the position being applied for. A clear subject line helps the employer quickly identify your application. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Ms. Parker. This is a professional and respectful salutation appropriate for job applications. Always use a formal greeting when writing a cover letter. Introduction and interest in the position. Now let's move into the opening paragraph. This section introduces the applicant and immediately states the purpose of the letter. A strong opening is important because hiring managers often review many applications. You want them to quickly understand who you are and why you are applying. The paragraph says, I am writing to express my interest in the marketing coordinator position at Brightcore Solutions. With a strong background in digital marketing, content development, and campaign management, I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and help drive the continued success of your organization. This is a strong opening because it immediately identifies the position, highlights relevant experience, and expresses enthusiasm for the opportunity. Notice that it sounds confident without sounding arrogant. Why this company? Next, the applicant explains why they are interested in this specific company. This section is important because employers want to know that applicants are genuinely interested in their organization rather than sending the same letter everywhere. The paragraph reads, What initially attracted me to Brightcore Solutions was your reputation for innovation and your commitment to delivering customer-focused solutions. After learning more about your company and the impact of your work within the industry, I became particularly interested in the opportunity to contribute my skills in a fast-paced and forward-thinking environment. This paragraph works well because it shows that the applicant has researched the company and understands its values. When writing your own cover letter, try to mention something specific about the company whenever possible. Relevant work experience. Now let's move into one of the most important sections of the cover letter. This paragraph focuses on the applicant's professional experience and achievements. Employers want evidence that you can perform the responsibilities of the job. This section helps demonstrate that. The paragraph says, In my current role as a marketing specialist with Horizon Media Group, I coordinate digital campaigns across multiple platforms, create marketing content, and analyze performance metrics to improve campaign effectiveness. Over the past 2 years, I have successfully managed several marketing initiatives that increased website traffic by more than 35% and contributed to a significant increase in customer engagement. These experiences have strengthened my ability to manage projects, collaborate with cross-functional teams, and adapt quickly to changing business priorities. This is a strong paragraph because it includes measurable achievements instead of simply listing responsibilities. Employers are often more interested in results than duties alone. Key achievement and accomplishment. Next comes the achievement paragraph. A winning cover letter usually highlights one specific accomplishment that demonstrates the applicant's value. The paragraph reads, "One of my proudest accomplishments involved leading a product launch campaign that exceeded its target audience reach by 40% within the first 3 months. By combining strategic planning, data analysis, and creative content development, I helped generate measurable results while staying within budget constraints. This experience reinforced my belief that successful marketing requires both creativity and a strong understanding of business objectives." This section is powerful because it provides a real example of success and demonstrates both skills and results. When possible, include accomplishments that can be measured with numbers or outcomes. Personal qualities and work style. Now let's move into the next paragraph. Technical skills are important, but employers also want to know what type of person you are to work with. The paragraph says, "Beyond my technical skills, I bring a proactive mindset and a genuine enthusiasm for continuous learning. I enjoy taking initiative, identifying opportunities for improvement, and working collaboratively to achieve shared goals. Colleagues often describe me as dependable, organized, and solution-oriented, qualities that I believe would allow me to contribute positively to your team from day one." This paragraph works well because it highlights professional qualities without sounding exaggerated. Employers appreciate applicants who can work well with others and contribute positively to the workplace. Why you are a good fit. Next comes the paragraph connecting the applicant's experience to the company's needs. This is important because employers want to understand why you believe you are a strong fit for the role. The paragraph reads, "I am particularly excited about the opportunity to join Brightcore Solutions because I see a strong alignment between my professional experience and your organization's goals. I am confident that my background in marketing strategy, content creation, and campaign analysis would enable me to make meaningful contributions while continuing to grow professionally." This section helps tie together everything discussed earlier in the letter. It explains not only what the applicant has done, but how those experiences can benefit the employer. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the employer for considering the application and expresses interest in discussing the opportunity further. The paragraph says, "Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications and experiences align with the needs of your team. I appreciate your time and consideration and look forward to hearing from you." This is a strong closing because it is professional, respectful, and forward-looking. Closing and signature. The letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Avery Mitchell." Always end your cover letter with a professional closing followed by your full name. This helps create a polished and complete application. And that's how you write a strong and professional cover letter for a job application step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.